Hi, welcome back to Tariq's lesson. Today, we will learn about describing daily routines using the present simple tense, with a special focus on spelling rules for the third person singular, he, she, and it. Basic form. For I, you, we, and they, use the verb in its base form. Example, I eat breakfast early. Third person singular. Add es to the base form for he, she, and it. For example, she eats breakfast early. Special spelling rules verbs ending in o, s, ss, c, h, sh, x add e, and s to the verb. For example, he goes to the gym daily. She watches a film on Fridays. Verbs ending in consonant and y, change y to I and add es. For example, he flies kites in the park. Fly, flies. She tries new recipes every week. Try, tries. Examples with daily routines in present simple. Positive sentences. He eats breakfast. She brushes her teeth twice a day. Negative sentences. He does not have breakfast. She does not brush her teeth. Questions. Does he drive to work? Does she brush her teeth? Practice creating sentences. Think about simple activities in your daily routine. Use the present simple tense to make sentences. Apply the spelling rules for he, she, and it. In conclusion, describing daily routines in English is straightforward with the present simple tense. Just remember the base form for I, you, we, and they, and add s or the correct ending for he, she, and it following our spelling rules. Keep practicing to improve your English every day. Thanks for watching.